What is up YouTube, it's hip-hop channel YTV and I'm back with another episode. Curtis Jackson has another drama series on the way. In addition to his hugely successful Power Universe, Media Mogul is executive producing BMF, which is coming to start this fall. The show will focus on the real-life story of Detroit brothers Demetrius Big Meech and Terry Southwest T. Flannery, and the cast is stacked. I told you Black Mafia Family was coming and it's going to be the biggest show on television. Meech and Terry are legends and I'm excited to bring their story to start, says 50 Cent. Black Mafia Family has all the hallmarks of a great drama, from the larger-than-life Flannery brothers to the deadly high-stakes world they inhabit. TAR CEO Jeffrey Hirsch added, "This series is going to be an incredible ride for audiences around the world." Recently, it was announced that Eminem will be making a guest appearance on the show as Richard Ware, aka White Boy Rick. "I'm honored and appreciative of my good friend Eminem for supporting my new show BMF," 50 Cent told the Rap. "We couldn't do a show based in Detroit without incorporating the legend that is Eminem." Today I want to show you guys footage and videos of 50 Cent rapper pulls up on BMF premiere party last night in New York with Lil Meech and BMF cast. You can check out pictures on the screen. Also, 50 Cent attended press screening party of The King's Path, and before I move to the next topic, let me ask you guys question of the day. Tell me which your favorite 50 Cent TV series is. Write your thoughts in the comments below, and now let's move to the next topic. After a 15-year hiatus, legendary Fugees, the iconic hip-hop group consisting of Miss Lauryn Hill, Wyclef Jean, and Press Mitchell will reunite in an international tour to celebrate the 25th anniversary of their best-selling 1996 album, The Score. The group's first public performance will be in support of Global Citizen Live, a global broadcast event calling on world leaders to defend the planet and defeat poverty. The award-winning trio will also partner with Global Citizen to work on more philanthropic causes around the tour. The Fugees achieved global acclaim and awards with the success of the Grammy Award-winning album, The Score. The group disbanded in 1997 so that the members could pursue solo careers. They reunited in 2004 and began touring for 2 years before officially disbanding. The tour will kick off Wednesday, September 22 with a pop-up show at an undisclosed location in New York City, and will follow in 11 other cities. So thanks for watching, it's hip-hop channel YTV. If you like the videos and content, subscribe to the channel, also get the notification bells, and don't forget to visit the website hiphopty.com. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.